Monoliths have popped up in surprising places over the past few weeks, including an American desert, a British beach and a Belgian field. Last month, during a routine survey of bighorn sheep in Utah's Red Rock Country, the U.S. state's wildlife agency discovered a 10 to 12 feet tall, three-sided metal monolith at the base of a canyon. When the helicopter-borne team went down to investigate it, they found that there were no indications of how or when it appeared there, or who had installed it so firmly into the canyon's rocky floor. In an official statement issued on November 23, the Utah Department for Public Safety announced a discovery and speculated that it was most likely an art installation by a new wave artist or a prank by a 2001 Space Odyssey fan. The references to the 1968 science fiction film by Stanley Kubrick, co-written by Arthur C Clarke, in which a massive black monolith of extraterrestrial origin appears among a tribe of hominids and influences the course of human evolution. Several of these tall, shiny pillars have now been found at sites around the globe without warning or explanation since mid-November. The metal monolith also mysteriously appeared in the middle of a field in Bosrode in Belgium in December. Spain, Germany, and Colombia have also seen strange tall structures pop up since the first monolith was found in the US. Back in the UK, one with the words "Not Banksy" also appeared on the top of Glastonbury Tor. As mystery shrouded the first monoliths, an anonymous collective called The Most Famous Artist took credit for the ones in Utah and California and is selling several replicas for €45,000 each. However, when asked about the Isle of Wight structure, it said, "The monolith is out of my control at this point. Godspeed to all the aliens working hard around the globe to propagate the myth." A designer from West Sussex has claimed responsibility for the Isle of Wight monolith, saying he created it just for fun. The structures have sparked comparisons with the movie 2001, A Space Odyssey, where an alien monolith is a recurring symbol that appears to play a role in the development of human evolution. Brett Hutchings, a helicopter pilot who first spotted the Utah monolith, told a local news station that he thought the structures could be from a new wave artist or someone who was a fan of the Stanley Kubrick film. Speaking about the Romanian monolith, the Piatra-named mayor Andrei Carabellia wrote on Facebook, "There is no reason to panic for those who think there is still life in the universe." The mayor said, "My guess is that some alien, cheeky and terrible teenagers left home with their parents' UFO and started planting metal monoliths around the world, first in Utah and then at Piatra-named. I am honored that they chose our city." People on the internet are convinced that aliens are behind this act. Interesting theories like aliens are trying to find the signal on Earth are being spread. Some people are dead serious and scared, while others are hoping on this extraterrestrial train just for a good laugh. New data that surfaced on the internet this week show 4 men caught in a video trying to remove the monolith found in Utah. One of them can be heard saying "leave no trace," as reported in an article by The Guardian. Therefore, clearly, its removal had nothing to do with aliens. It was photographer Ross Bernards who posted on his Instagram on Monday of the object's final moments that proved that there was nothing extraterrestrial about the technology, as it appeared to be sheets of metal riveted to a hollow wooden scaffold. It can also be a great prank to make people believe in alien activities, but in any case, mischievous people were quick to follow and copy the original structure found in Utah and continue the prank by placing it in Romania. The mystery of Monolith remains unsolved, and the internet is still buzzing about its latest appearance. Is this a prank or not? The question that has left everybody waiting in excitement is when and where will it appear next? Subscribe to our YouTube channel Trend Next for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.